Knock, knock. I've got delivery here for you.
You sure do. That's massive.
Oh, it's pretty exciting.
It is very exciting.
Have a look at this.
Oh, I have to stand up.
The box is bigger than Tash. Do you think we should So this has come from someone really cool who sends you lots of free stuff.
Zoe is freaking amazing. So Zoe is from Horseland, Gold Coast, and one of the most extraordinary women that I get to talk to. She organises all the De Niro boots. So if everyone loves my gold boots, well, they can be ordered through De Niro.
And you just wait for what's coming.
Yeah.
It makes the gold boots
So
like...
I decided, I've had the gold boots 2 or 3 years, and they're getting a bit old and a bit weathered, and I thought I definitely need some new boots. So Zoe was so amazing, because when I told her what I wanted, she was so kind to be like, yeah, that really won't look good, Tash, too much bling. Do you remember what I said? I said I wanted accents, I wanted bling here and bling here and bling here and bling here and bling.
If you guys saw a few months ago, there's this saddle with bling everywhere, but Tash, you could still sit on that saddle. Tash wanted to make her entire boot almost diamante.
I did.
The entire boot.
I did.
And we're like, what about the side that touches the leg? No, I want to it's just for looks. But anyway, you got some boots
Zoe,
coming.
actually, the boots haven't arrived yet, so but she was so patient with me and really helped me design the boots with the matching helmets, with the matching everything. So she has decided to send me some stuff down to see what's going to work in terms of colours. I'm a bit scared. I've looked in the box. I think there's colours.
Can we empty the box just onto... Can you just empty the whole box onto the desk?
Sure.
Can you just pick it up? Are you strong enough?
Am I strong enough? I don't know. I'll just drag it. So, we have some nice white fluffy boots from Weather Beater, which is very cool. I like it. Front boots and back boots. I love it. And then, what have we got here? So we've got some breeches. I don't know if there's enough bling on them. These are the most comfortable pants I've ever put on in my life. They're amazing. I don't know if they're a bit big. I don't know. Like, I don't think they're too big anywhere. Oh, I don't know. But they're really comfy. I just don't know if they look any good and if I've got the right size.
No. Have they got like any patterns on them?
Well, they've got these belt things, not belt things, for your phone again.
Oh, yes. I thought they were like, almost like gym leggings.
Yeah, they feel so soft.
Yeah.
Maybe.
No, maybe?
Maybe. It's nice. I like the stirrup.
Oh, that's quite cool. Can you show me the stirrup?
Yes.
And the little stirrups everywhere.
But again, I'm not sure. This is obviously for everyone with their phone, because I know my phone pops out of my pocket. But I'll see how it looks. I'm liking this. I need to get my belts.
Yes.
But they fit nice and they're pretty comfy. And yeah, I don't think I mind the pocket.
It's a very low pocket, isn't it?
It's for when you're riding, so then your thing goes alright. This is what I'm worried about. Pink breeches. I don't think I do pink breeches.
That's got my vote already. Look at you. Pink.
So I don't like it, but all the girls out there have said it looks great. Pink. Apparently the pink makes me look tanned, which is always a good thing.
But we just went with the white top because that kind of matches with everything.
Well, and I do like the pink there. But again, I still don't know how to wear it.
It doesn't matter too much. But yeah, that's pink joddies. You've never done pink joddies?
Never.
No. Well, there you go.
Yay or nay, people. Yay or nay. And then these ones they're blue.
Yeah, it's never been...
Oh, with grey, with red.
It's never...
I'm not feeling it.
You probably don't know until you've tried them on, but I think we may know already.
So, I think these breeches are for people that have not had children. I'm feeling it's lumpy in all the wrong places. I'm sure it looks great on a model, just not with all my lumps and bumps.
It's got a line on the side. Can we just see that? But yeah, it's... Should we get them off already?
But they're super comfy. They don't like have zips, like they're like leggings.
No, you said there was no buttons or nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no go.
They're definitely not my thing.
Never judge
I'm in
a job
casual
by
clothes.
its cover.
I'm in casual clothes and I'm still in black. Like,
true.
It's just my thing. All right, this top is okay, but it's blue and white, not black and white. I'm so glad we're doing this because I need help from the people. You said it goes zip up.
The zip I'm going to up here, just up here. The zip is actually hidden under here, but
which he was so excited about. But yes, do we? Is that the point? Are you meant to zip it up? And is this what you wear every day riding?
Do you want to
quite
try the zip down?
Yeah, but I didn't think that looked good.
I don't know.
I can't even find the zip.
Oh, it's hidden.
As you said.
It's so well hidden. Yeah, because then it kind of, the collar just sits a bit weird.
It does.
Yes.
So I think it has to be up. Wine red. I like the bling bling on. I like that. I think the whole top should be that. What do you think? I like it. The colour's okay.
Yeah, the colours is very dark. I think we've been picking it up through the camera, but it's.
But it would match your saddle blanket.
Oh yes, if you're going for a full matchy. Yeah.
I know. I don't know if you should do that.
Does it have anything on the back?
Does it?
Oh, a little love heart just up behind your neck.
How cute.
Isn't that cute? Okay, that is cool.
This I love. Look at this. So this is my favourite because I'm in black. It's your favourite because it's booby.
The zip does come down quite low.
So I don't know if you're meant to like do it up a little bit.
It does add a bit of colour on the front there. Like, go on.
Remember, this does not stay.
Yeah, no, but the silver. Go the zip up. Let's just see.
Where's my microphone? Oh, one of our grooms has just said if you do the zip up too high, you look like a nerd.
I think she's
I feel
entirely
it needs
correct.
to go. I can't even see. Is it stuck on my necklace?
Yeah, don't worry. Don't.
Oh, that's as high as it goes.
Yes.
Does it? Okay.
Yeah.
I look like a nerd?
No, not too bad. You look sun smart.
Sun smart is not who I am.
No.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
But yes, black and black to your basically what you're wearing before we started this video.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm happy.
Yeah. It's kind of cool. Has it got anything? Do a spin. Oh yeah, it's just black on the back.
It's black. Oh, and this red I do. Ooh la la. I love this. I'm not quite sure about this, if it's meant to be open or closed. I never know how to dress myself.
The little.
Yeah, but this is cool.
Yes.
And this is cool. There needs to be more of that.
And I'm just going to look at your footwear.
What are those?
I think I like this with me a bit of black bling bling. That one's okay. This one's just, I like the feel of this. Feel this material.
I don't have high hopes for this particular.
I'm not quite sure. I don't know what you do with these things. They need to come with instruction labels of how to wear them for people like me. I'm not quite sure.
Yeah.
But it's grey. I can't look down and see this. It's too grey.
I feel like this is definitely a winter one, isn't it?
No, I think it's a sunshine. I don't know.
Yeah.
Does it say? Comfort dry.
Yes, probably. We don't know what's going on. A keeper? Yeah, it's like a. I feel like it should be a gym outfit, that one. That's a gym top.
But it's grey.
Yeah.
I'll just have to wear it this way with some black. All right, and what have we got for the horse? We've got a red one.
I quite like that.
I really like the bling and the bling.
Who do you think that would go well on? What colour to horse is that?
I don't know.
I feel a black horse.
Yeah, I think a black horse, but I think that's the wrong answer.
I feel like
I think it's meant to be a grey or a chestnut.
couldn't do a bay.
It's probably a bay.
Then let's go with a bay.
But then what colour would this one be?
A black horse.
I think the answer's
Or a
wrong.
white
See,
horse.
I would love this with the red and the bling if this was black.
I think the worst answer I could say is it goes with a white horse, because what would you say?
Buy me a white horse.
Yes. So it goes with a black horse.
All
Tash.
right, but this one,
Oh, that's cool. Can you hold it up?
This
I like the
one I
spark. Hang on.
Bling,
Very nice.
bling, bling. But I mean, it only has one row of sparkle. This has 2 rows of bling, bling. And we've got black with gold. That is cool. Give me some black and gold, and the leather is super cool. And we've got some green. What does green go with? I think green goes well with chestnut.
I do like green, but I don't know what it goes with. Yeah.
All right.
That is one hell of a haul. Can we do a bit of a
I'll put some outfits
modelling
on.
outfit and see how we go?
Okay.
And then you guys can help us vote for what Tash should wear. Let's choose Tash's outfit.
So this is the outfit choice. We've gone burgundy with a little bit of bling, and we think that matches the grey and burgundy And then I guess if I wanted to wear a different top, I could wear a grey top. Too many choices. I'm still a little bit confused. But Benita looks amazing, and yeah, I would really like to thank Zoe at Horseland for helping me get my style on. And she has graciously said for anyone that would like some help and would like to get some style tips as well, wants to organise De Niro boots, cap helmets, saddle blankets, outfits, please go and contact Zoe at Horseland Gold Coast. So we'll put the link in the show notes, how you can contact Zoe. Just mention Natasha or Your Riding Success and she will make sure to look after you and make sure she can give you guys what you need. So enjoy.
What do you guys think? Do you think Tash should have been in the pink jodhpurs, the grey top and the emerald green saddle blanket? I do not, but
yes, please post below and comment
let us know
below
what you think. Let us know what you like.
Combo you thought we should have gone with, and yeah, I look forward to hearing your replies.